Hello everyone, welcome to Seeing It Center. This is Rubai Thak, your course coordinator. I'm working here as a TV instructor and course coordinator, and we're going to talk about IELTS, which is very essential in today's world. If you want to do higher study or go abroad, you need IELTS score. We are offering IELTS at a very reasonable price and with a flexible schedule. We are offering a regular crash course and executive IELTS for the job holders. Now I'm going to brief you about IELTS. What is IELTS and what kind of things you will be seeing in the exams. We'll share a screen with you. Just wait for a few seconds. The screen will pop up. Here you can, I'll zoom it for you a bit so you can see it clearly. Okay, so these are the information about IELTS. I'm going to give you a basic information about IELTS and briefing you about what kind of exam and what kind of modules. Before proceeding, I would like to say there are like four modules in IELTS: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So how the exam take place and what is the testing procedure? I'll be talking about that. So as you can see here, IELTS listening test is made to assess your listening abilities. This model is the same for academic and general IELTS. Time is 40 minutes. You will be given 40 questions and 4 sections. The listening module takes 40 minutes time, as I told you earlier. 30 minutes for testing. I mean the tape will run for 30 minutes, audio tape, and 10 minutes for transferring answer to the answer sheet. There are 40 question listening module with 10 question in each section. Section get increasingly difficult. What kind of question you will be getting in these 4 sections? I'll give you just thinking about that. Section 1 is conversation between two speakers about everyday situations. This is the easiest section. Speaker talks quite slowly, making pauses. The key information is usually repeated. Section 2, a monologue about everyday situation. Speaker talks quite slowly but makes less pauses than in previous section. Section 3 is conversation between 2, 3, or 4 speakers about education or training situations. Like, for example, students talking about class assignment, people discussing professors' academic speech, etc. Number 4, a monologue on academic subject is the most difficult section. There is no break in the middle. In the previous section, you will be getting some break or pauses in between, but in this section, you will not getting any pauses or break. Tape will continue running and from 31 to 40. In section 4, these 10 questions you have to answer at a length. Speaker talks quite quickly and use a wide range of vocabulary. So what kind of questions you'll be getting? So types of question answering are multiple choice, short answer questions, sentence, completion, notes, summary, plan, diagram, table or chart completion, labeling a diagram which has numbered parts, classification, matching. These types of question we'll be getting in listening. Reading is the most vital part because of the time management skills. I always say that because there are 3 sections and you'll be getting 60 minutes time. 40 questions will be given from these 3 passages, I should say. So in this 60 minutes or 1 hour time, you will be getting only 20 minutes for each passage or each combination type of passages. So within those 20 minutes time, you have to read the passage, you have to understand the summary, you have to understand the theme or summary, as I said earlier, and you have to answer the question, and you also have to transfer the answer in the answer script. So very tight schedule. That's what you have to keep in mind. So what kind of question you will be getting in answer reading? Multiple choice, true, false, not given, short answer questions, sentence completion, note summary, plan diagram, table or chart completion, classification, matching paragraphs. That means matching headings to paragraphs. Then comes the writing module. IELTS academy writing, I'm focusing on like in writing module task 1, describe a graph, table, chart, or diagram. You'll be have to write down minimum 150 words within 20 minutes time. Task 2, you have to write 250 words within 40 minutes time. Task 2 is essay writing, and task 1 is graph, table, chart, or diagram. Kind of pictogram will be given, and you have to describe the chart bar graph within 20 minutes time. Essay writing, you have to write an opinion-based essay within 40 minutes time. Total 60 minutes time you will be getting in writing a module. You have to finish within these 2 tasks within 60 minutes time. Speaking module is 10 to 15 minutes time. It's an interview type of thing. Speaking module doesn't held on the same day. Either it held one day before the exam. Talking about the exam, listening, reading, writing, the take this test held in the same day, and speaking held one day before or one day after the usual other exams, sitting exams or written exams. Speaking is a productive skills. It's an interview kind of thing. Here you're getting 10 to 15 minutes time and 3 sections. Section 1 is introduction and interview. First of all, the examiner will ask you, tell you name and show your passport. General question about yourself. In section 2 is a cue card. You'll be given a task card about a particular topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare a monologue on the given topic. Then you return the task card to the examiner and talk about topic for 2 minutes. That's it. Section 3, discussion. The third section involves a discussion between the examiner and the test taker, generally on question related to the theme which they have already spoken about in section 2. Some out knowledge based question will be asked in this section. So that's all about the briefing about IELTS. Thank you very much for your patience. I welcome you to join our English Center, which is C English Center, and I'll be there to help you to improve your IELTS scores and teach you some tips and techniques. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.